How to connect the TX7200 Input Module to the control panel. Before starting any wiring work, ensure the control panel is completely powered off. The TX7200 Input Module is used to monitor external devices such as manual call points, flow switches, or other normally open inputs on the addressable loop. The module is loop-powered and features dedicated terminals for loop wiring and input connections. First, connect the incoming loop positive to terminal Z1, signal in. Connect the incoming loop negative to terminal Z2, signal in. Next, connect the input cable to terminals RET and G. At the end of the input cable, fit a 5.1 kilo-ohm, 1/4 watt end-of-line resistor. This resistor is required for proper supervision of the input circuit. Once wiring is complete, use the fire alarm system programmer to assign the TX7200 Input Module a unique address between 1 and 254. Secure the module inside a suitable enclosure or mounting location as required. After installation, restore power to the control panel. The input module should now appear on the loop with a normal status. Activate the connected input device to confirm that the panel correctly receives the signal. And that's how you connect the TX7200 Input Module to your fire alarm control panel.